The weather is looking so gloomy today, but anyway, today is harvest day. I am harvesting my kale and my potatoes and also fertilizing my bell peppers. If you don't know, I'm a backyard farmer. Something that I started this year, and I've been enjoying this growing season so far. So my plant is in a fruiting phase where the old fruits are coming out. I showed a little bit of it in my last vlog. So I learned that when they start flowering, they start showing sign of fruits, they need to get the different type of fertilizer. So I was using one that was rich in nitrogen before, A733 before, and now I need to move to something that has more, is it phosphorus or potassium? Yeah, phosphorus. These are my pepper plants. They obviously need some hydration, and some of them are fruits, and then as you can see, these are other peppers right here. They are getting so big. Yay! Then I have more peppers here. I'm so excited. This one is not fruiting yet. I don't know what's going on. And I also have some here. And I have some other ones here. This is just growing so big, growing so tall, and has no peppers, no fruit on it. I have one here that's growing so big. This is the biggest for now. That's one right there. Oh, I see some more. Wow, there's a bigger one here. No, really, Richard. Wow. And these are my kale plants. These are due to harvest like 2 days ago because I harvest every Wednesday. And if I can't, I do it every Thursday. But today is Saturday. I've been feeling a bit unwell. So I'm just going to harvest them. So when I'm done harvesting these and also my potatoes, I will be fertilizing kale and pepper. So these are my potatoes. According to people, these potatoes are ready for harvest because they are meant to dry. The leaves are meant to dry. I think they are dried out enough. So I'm just going to start harvesting them. Now the goal is how they will not get bad till we are able to consume all of them. I don't even know what's inside. I feel like I'm actually so excited about the potatoes because whew, it's like nice market. Oja Okuku. I don't know what's inside. I don't even know if they have any tubers in them at all, at all. But I did check. I picked out two tiny ones sometimes last week. I don't know what's going on in all the four bags, so we are gonna see what's going on inside them today. The last time I harvested my kale, they were looking so thirsty. It looks like they were not going to survive anything. I think I showed you, you probably saw it in my last video. I don't know what was eating up my kale plants and they were looking so ugly, like they needed help. But somehow things are looking fine again. And I'm grateful. Since my kale plants were ready for harvest, we haven't bought any kale like literally for 2 months now, and I've been harvesting every single week. I gotta be everything out. Here you go. This is everything that we have for kale today. Are we ready for potatoes harvest? Yeah. More potato. Where's my potato? Potato one there. I see potato. Àwọn kan tí mo grow lélẹ̀ o. Òjò má fẹ́ rọ̀ báyìí. This is so funny. This is what I got from a old bag. This is what I planted this 3 wedges you see right here was what I planted. And this is what I got from that bag. But I feel like it wasn't that bad for a first time farmer. And I should be honest, I also did not take care of these potatoes well because I was just confused. How much water does it need? Like, I really don't know. And I can actually tell you that I didn't really fertilize these potatoes well. I can't even remember if I think I fertilized them maybe like once or twice. So I guess the fault is on me. It is raining right now and I want to try and harvest another bag. I'm just under a shed. Bro, this is a very disappointing harvest. It's a disappointing harvest. Now, I'm not happy. They are not big. They are not. They are so small. So small. I got this big plastic thinking that I'm going to get enough harvest. And this is all I got from 2 bags. Very disappointing. Okay, this is what I'm going to do for the rest of the 2 bags. I am not going to harvest them. They still have green leaves on them. So I think I'm going to add some liquid fertilizer to it and see how far it will go in another 1 month. It is raining, but I need to complete today's task. For this garden, I am going to be mixing the water for the fertilizer and fertilize them and call it a day. This fertilizer calls for this size. It's a liquid fertilizer, so it calls for this one side of this part of the spoon for 6 liters of water. This is what's inside, and it says to do this every 7 to 14 days for outdoor plants. There you go. I'm supposed to do this inside a watering can, but Sandal City doesn't have a watering can. I'm a potato, you're disappointing. This is everything that we have today from the harvest. I don't know if you guys can see, but you already saw it. So, and we are going to be seeing the potatoes back later in September. I hope that I'll be harvesting my bell peppers. And guys, I'm going to see you all in another video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you enjoyed this gardening video, let me know in the comments, okay? And if you have any advice for me, I'm a first-time farmer, backyard farmer. Let me know. Thank you so much, guys, and I'm going to see you in another one. Bye.